it's Shinimarotu. Today, I will explain how to add image and change the font size and font face in a HTML document. Without further delay, let's get right into this video. So first, to change the font size and font face, you wanna open your tag with a angle bracket and type in font and space face, or you can give size first. I prefer my size. And then my font size should be 12. And then my font face should be Algerian. Don't forget the equal sign. Algerian. And you want to close it. And you don't need any space at starting. Now you want to close your font tag. Font and close. Next, to add your image, you're gonna open it with the angle bracket and type in img, which means image, and src, which means source, space equals, and another space. And in your double quotes, you wanna navigate to your image and right click on it and click get info. If you're on Windows, you wanna right click, and at the bottom of the drop down menu, it's gonna say properties. And after you go into the properties or the info, it's going to say Macintosh HD user Shinimarotu or something like that. Or it's going to say C drive and then something like C drive and C drive downloads desktop and something like that. Now I want to copy it and paste it in here. Bam. And now you want to give a front slash and you want to enter the name of your image. My image name is treehouse.jpg. Treehouse.jpg and close it. And this is what you want, and you can save it. And I'm gonna save it as Shree's website, site number 2 .html. If you don't have the .html at the end, then it's not gonna save like an HTML document, and yeah, it won't work. So now it's gonna save right here, Shree's website .html, and bam. So if you want to edit the size of the image, I'll show you how to do that. So right after the double quotes in your img source tag, give a space, and you're gonna have in width and equals 500. You can give any size you want, and height equals 500. So you can keep playing around with the size and height. So then, until you get the sweet spot, and save it, go to your web page, refresh, bam. And really quick, I'm gonna teach you guys how to insert an image into a marquee. And I've covered how to insert a marquee into a HTML document. So now you're gonna start off with your marquee tag, marquee, and you wanna copy your image source. And if you want your image only in the marquee, you can just cut and paste it, and bam. Now you can close your marquee tag. Done. And now you want to save this. Save it, and go to your web page, refresh. It's gonna be moving around the screen. And now let's test out the font face and font size. So in our h1 tag, and so h1 means header, and it's like the largest header, and it goes into h6. And h6 is the smallest header. So in my h1 tag, I'm going to say, hello there. And close the h1 tag. And save it. Our web page, refresh. Bam. There you go. So that's it for this video. If you guys learned something new, make sure to comment down below. And like this video to support me. And if you have any questions, make sure to also comment that down below. And peace out.